Hello everybody, welcome back. Now we will try to connect to our web server using SSM. So for that, first of all, we'll have to create an IAM role for the instance. So we go to the AWS Management Console homepage and then search IAM. Once this page opens up, in the left pane, we go to roles and then we create a role. The trusted entity type, we choose AWS services, which allows AWS services like EC2, Lambda or others to perform action in this account. The use case would be an EC2. The use case, we choose EC2 and select next. Okay, what permission policies? SSM managed instance code. So we choose a policy which is called SSM managed instance code and then select next. What name can we give this to? SSM instance role. We give the name and leaving all other things as default, we create the role. Oh, sorry. We should rename it properly. I think it should be okay. Yes. Create role. Now you can see the role has been created. SSM instance role. Now we go back to our EC2 instance. Click on the instances running. Select our web server for IMD and then in action we go to security and modify IAM role. That means we are assigning this role and it would be SSM IAM role and then we update the IAM role. Well, this might take some minute and as we see, oh, it's done. So we can now connect. So as we see, our EC2 instance has been connected through the SSM. Okay, that's fine, but I just want to demonstrate something to you. For SSM, for connecting to an instance using SSM, basically we do not need any ports. So if we go to a security group, first of all, SG demo for IMD, and then edit inbound rules, and then if we delete both these rules, will the EC2 instance be accessible? Okay, let us go back to our web server and then connect using SSM. Then it should connect because we are not using any ports, rather SSM client has been installed on our EC2 instance which is doing all the connection stuff. But if we want to connect through instance connect, we will not be able to connect. There will be a timeout because port 22 SSH requires port 22 for a connection, but unfortunately we have deleted it, so it will time out. So as we see, failed to connect to your instance. So SSM is a very good alternative if we want to keep our instances secured. Okay, thank you. That's all for now.